We're going to look at Yahoo Finance page, and I've pulled up Nike here because that's what it asks you to do on that handout, but you could pull it up for anyone. And this is showing in real time what's going on with the Nike stock. So we've got the stock symbol up here, and we can see if we want to buy it, we have to buy it through the New York Stock Exchange. This is the price that it's currently selling at. And it's telling you that it's up $1.99 since it opened this morning, and you can see once again that it's changing. So the previous close, it's what it closed last night, $72.75. When the market opened this morning, it started trading at $73.45. I'm going to skip a few of these because it doesn't really matter for our purposes, and some of these I'm not even exactly sure how to explain them. So today's range, what it's showing you is the high and lows that this stock is traded just for today. So you could get it as cheap as $73.14 today, or as high as $74.82. Over the last year, it has traded as low as $62.09 and as high as $86.04. So if you bought it at $62.09 and sold it at $86.04, you did a good job, and you can still sell it right now because it's still selling for about $12 more than what you would have purchased it for. This volume here is showing how many shares of Nike stock have been sold and traded, not necessarily sold, but bought and sold just today. And then their average volume is that. And you have to understand the stock market opens at 9 a.m., closes at 4:30, and it's about noon right now. So they still have 4.5 more hours in which to trade this stock. I'm going to come over here so that you can see this is where they're showing the dividend. So if you own any shares of stock, when they pay out their dividend, and remember a dividend is the profits that go to shareholders. So if you are a Nike shareholder, that means you own or part owner of Nike. So if Nike makes a profit, they are going to pay you a portion per share. So if you own 100 shares of Nike stock, multiply that times 0.88. And you will get $88 worth of dividend. If you own 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, you just multiply that times the dividend that they're paying. This over here is a chart that's showing how the stock is performing. And if we click here, this is just today. So it's showing your opening price at $72.75, and so far today, this is what has happened with that particular stock. And then if you clicked on it later on, it would be there. If we want to look at what it's done over the last 5 days, this is Friday, so from last Friday to this Friday, we can see something happen yesterday that caused it to go way down, but it's coming back. The last month, the last 6 months, year to date, what that means is, since it's January 4th, starting with January 1st through today, this is what it's done. So this is year to date, starting with the very first day that the market was open this year. The market opened on January 2nd. It wasn't open on New Year's Day. So year to date, so far just this year, 2019, that's what it's done. This is the 1 year. So from last year, January 1st, 2018, through January 1st, 2019, this is what it's done over the last year. We could look at the last 5 years, and we can come over here and see something happened that caused the stock prices to go up to $112.62. So that's kind of interesting to find out, and that was in 2015. So you would have to go back and see what exactly happened. Something significant, some product they probably launched that was extremely successful. Stock prices rise, and then they come back down. So that is the Nike stock, and how to read one of these tables if you got on Yahoo Finance.